Good morning students. In this video I will continue changing of direct speech into indirect speech. In previous video I have told you the first and second and third rule. Now the fourth rule is that if reporting verb has any object, if reporting verb has not any object, then if reporting verb has not any object, then say, sage, said will not be changed. Will not be changed. While changing direct speech into indirect speech, if there will be any object in reporting verb, only then say, sage, said will be changed into tell, tells, told. If there will be no object in reporting verb, then say, sage, said will not be changed into tell, tells, told. Next rule. If in reported speech universal truth, habit, if in reported speech universal truth, habit, historical event, if in reported speech universal truth, habit, historical event is given, then tense of reported speech will not be changed. Tense of reported speech, if in reported speech universal truth, habit, historical event is given, then tense of reported speech will not be changed. Next and last rule 6. While changing direct speech into indirect speech, inverted comma will be changed into that. These are the rules of changing direct speech into indirect speech. This rule will be applied only when reported speech will be in affirmative or negative sentence. Affirmative negative means assertive sentence. If reported speech will be in assertive sentence, only then these rules will be applied. If reported speech will be in interrogative sentence, then another rule will be applied. If reported speech will be in imperative sentence, then another rule will be applied. In this video, I have told you rules. Now I will explain you with example. Example number 1. Radha says to Rekha, comma, inverted comma, Ram is her friend. Radha says to Rekha, Ram is her friend. The part that is given inside of the inverted comma is known as reported speech. The part that is outside of the inverted comma is known as reporting verb. Here Radha is subject of reporting verb, says is verb of reporting verb, and to Rekha, this is the object of reporting verb. In this sentence, object is given. It means say, says, said will be changed into tell, tells, told respectively if object will be given in reporting verb. So here Rekha object is given. Then while changing this sentence into indirect speech, it will be written as Radha tells Rekha, inverted comma will be changed into that Ram is her friend. Here in this sentence, is not changed into was. Why? Because reporting verb is in present tense. Here says is given. Says means reporting verb is in present tense. In the above rule I have told you, if reporting verb is in present or future tense, then tense of reported speech will not be changed. When reporting verb will be in past tense, only then tense of reported speech will be changed according to tense chart. Here reporting verb is in present tense, then tense of reported speech will not be changed. So Radha tells Rekha that Ram is her friend. Now in next video I will give you the tense chart.